So in this quick tutorial, I want to show you how to deactivate Facebook account. The first thing, you need to go to the Facebook and click the menu on the bottom, and then you need to click setting on the top right corner, and then you will click see more in account center, and a little bit scroll down and click account, and click again account ownership and control, and deactivation or deletion, and choose Facebook because you want to deactivate Facebook account. So you will see a deactivate account. So if you have Facebook page, this page will also deactivated with your account. So and then you need to type your password and click the continue. So that will be deactivate the Facebook account. So I hope this video helped to you. So make sure please subscribe to my channel. So that helped me a lot. So I will see you in the next one.